listen, we understand that tech is meant to help us work better, faster, more efficient, but it does not take the place of human contact, right? So we leverage tech necessarily. We don't rely on it. Michael, give us an example how that works.
The same as in our business that it would relate to a real estate agent, right? We are always going to try and use tech to help us speed up getting to our clients, replying to them, following up with them to make sure they're getting us the documents we need. But none of that's ever going to take the place of our loan officers reaching out, building some sort of relationship with that client, finding out what their needs are, how we can help them, how we can provide value to them. So we always are looking for tech solutions for our realtor partners that do the same for them.
Right?
It's totally true on that, because our business is still a relationship business, and
It's
without
never gonna change.
relationship,
100%.
yeah, it's always going to be a relationship business. But the tech is always helping us on the processes. I mean, on the title side, I'm constantly looking at how to improve the process. I mean, let's be real. The title escrow process right now is very antiquated. I mean, there's no real system in place to when you put a contract into escrow. There's a bunch of moving pieces, and it's still not figured out to make it smooth. So my goal is to simplify that process by using tech, but you're still going to communicate with our escrow officer. You're still going to communicate with, and the consumer's going to communicate with the realtor, the lender, everybody. Without that relationship, you're not going to have referrals.
Right. I mean, absolutely right. Tech and automation helps you leverage time.
Yeah.
And it's efficiency to do more of what you want. Listen, you guys know as well as I do, realtors want a couple of things. One is a bigger life, or another is a better life, right? The technology and the partnership that we have can provide for both, right? It provides for more transactions for a bigger life. It provides for more automation and time back if it's a better life, right? So whatever the team decides, that's their choice. And when we're together and we're aligned, we can help them do that.
Yeah, we're the three biggest pieces of their business, right?
Absolutely right.
Outside of themselves. So when everybody's talking and working together, it can only help.